What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. And today I'm doing my world's fastest WPL D12 attempt with my shelf queen. That's no longer a shelf queen. So I made 2 attempts. First one, I lost one of the front wheels, and the second one, that was successful. I hit quite a decent speed considering I used the stock plastic axle, brushless motor, direct drive into the axle, used the wire there to make the suspension the exact right level that I wanted it to be. That's why it looked like that. And I went for a second try here to break my first record, and then the stock plastic axle broke, as you can see here. But yeah, please check out my attempts, and yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. Might give it another try, but it's a decent speed considering I'm running with the stock axle. So yeah, check it out.